Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stake XRP on Coinbase. It's important to clarify that XRP, or Ripple, does not utilize a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Therefore, traditional staking, where you lock up your assets to earn rewards by supporting network operations, is not available for XRP on Coinbase. We'll discuss why this is the case and explore alternative ways you might engage with your XRP holdings. XRP operates on the XRP ledger, which employs a unique consensus protocol rather than a proof-of-stake system. This means its network validates transactions through a list of trusted validators, not by users locking up their tokens. This design choice prioritizes extremely fast and low-cost transactions, making traditional staking mechanisms unnecessary for its network security. Understanding this distinction is key to managing your expectations for XRP. While direct staking isn't an option, XRP holders can explore other avenues to potentially earn on their assets. Some decentralized finance platforms or centralized exchanges may offer lending programs where you can earn interest by providing your XRP. Always conduct thorough research into any platform's security, terms, and potential risks before committing your assets. Diversifying your approach is always a smart strategy. To summarize, while Coinbase is a popular platform, XRP is not a stakeable cryptocurrency due to its distinct consensus mechanism. Its design prioritizes speed and efficiency for global payments, rather than offering staking rewards. Always verify the staking eligibility of any cryptocurrency you hold. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this clarifies your options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.